The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County in north-central Ohio, Richland County in north-central Ohio, Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, Crawford County in north-central Ohio, southeastern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fostoria to near Upper Sandusky to Marion, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Fostoria, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Galion, Shelby, Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, Ontario, Crestline, North Baltimore, Gibsonburg, New London, Woodville, and Plymouth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.